So this is how to get started with your first project on Scratch. First type in scratch.mit.edu. That will take you to the main site. Then once you're there, sign in. I already signed in, as you can see. And go to Create. When you click Create, it takes you to the creation screen. Once you're in the creation screen of Scratch, you can go and click the Tutorials button. On this page, you see many tutorials, everything from games to sound recording to animations. Let's try this. Imagine if. Each of them start with an introductory video which you can play.
Imagine if you can create a world where anything is possible. What would happen? Use Scratch to bring your ideas to life. Imagine if animals could talk. Or people could fly. Or things could grow and shrink. Bring your imagination to life with Scratch. What will you create?
So, let's say you wanted to do this pretty much as they set it out for you. You can switch things up as you go as well, depending on how comfortable you feel with Scratch. So you hit this, which is the next button, type what to say. So say hello for 2 seconds, say imagine if for 2 seconds. Now you can shrink this to get it out of the way. Those were purple blocks. So we want it to say hello for 2 seconds and then say imagine if for 2 seconds. Then you can open this back up again and continue. Clicking that to go forward, add a green flag and click the green flag to start. Green flag, click it. It says hello, imagine if. And then you can continue going through those steps that are in the tutorial. Don't forget to title it. My first Scratch project, your name, Mr. B, and to share it. Saves the project, brings you to the project page. You can include some instructions or notes and credits. And then when you're done, you post it, and then it's been shared. All right? Actually, yeah, we're good. It's already been shared. That's it.